Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and I'm always looking for new chicken dinners. A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list. Today, our food stylist Anna is making my recipe for a chunky chicken chili. We're cutting the onions and poblanos in different sizes, so our chili has lots of great texture. Chicken thighs are perfect for braising because they stay so tender. Add the finely chopped onions and poblanos first. When those are soft, add the rest of the vegetables. This way, they stay a little snappy. Water is going to pick up all those delicious brown bits at the bottom. A little butter adds just enough richness. Simmer until it's as thick as you like. That looks perfect to me. And that's chicken chili in 5 ingredients. Let's eat.